you everything and more. Dog, it's a day that we are alive. You gotta love life. Alright? He's supposed to be looking for Impala bushes. What's up, y'all? Welcome to this week's edition, or actually this month's edition of Shop Talk, all right? We've been doing a bunch of build breakdowns. Now it's time to get you back in the shop. Check out the crew. Let's roll. Already been interrupted by Limber, so let's go see what he wins. Yes, sir. ¿Qué pasas? Piece of all right. All right, well, since we're here, taking it back to the old school, 76. Oh, I'm sorry, this one's a 74. 260Z. We did this car probably about literally 13 years ago for my uncle, and just had to do some adjustments on it, but this thing got a little new school to it. Sheesh. Yeah, y'all don't see no Z with no Lambo doors. But yeah, we're gonna freshen up the paint on this one, get him back so he can be riding with Pops. Let's go over to this one, see some progress. So a little update on Pops' 240Z. We got some good progress. Mondo and Vlad been knocking it out. They got the LS1 motor in, CX Racing long tube headers in, Champion radiator. The LS1 has made it to a T56 transmission. We had Drive Shaft Pro out in Ventura making us a custom drive shaft. So hopefully by the end of February, this thing could at least be rolling. Then we'll break it back down completely again and do all the paint and body work. Right here, I want to give a shout out to Silver Mine Motors. We're running his coilovers, Willwood disc brake conversion, 6 piston calipers up front, 4 in the rear. Silver Mine lower control arms in the front. Come over here, we went ahead and got the roto wheels, which I had custom done, and a brushed finish on the face. And then we hit it with a liquid bronze tint on the center. Willwood 4 piston calipers in the rear with a electronic e-brake. And then same thing, Silver Mine coilovers in the rear with lower control arms. So this thing will be a monster when it's done. I'll lift it up so you can check underneath it.
For the year.
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter. Smart as that.
Exactly.
This one we don't gotta worry about. All right, go ahead, you get your little shot. Right here we got Mondo doing what we normally do. This Dodge Charger Scat Pack came in, H&R lowering springs, and he's building our own custom catback exhaust using 3-inch piping, 3-inch X pipe, and of course carbon TR mufflers. All right, over here we got this Tesla Model Y, which we are putting back together right now. Fernando knocked out all the bodywork on this thing. It was side swiped, complete driver side from front bumper all the way down to the rear bumper. We replaced the rear door, repaired the quarter panel, repaired the front door, replaced the fender, got all the body work dialed in, then I had showed the customer a picture of color matching it. So that's what we did. Got all the lower trim, body color matched, and we're assembling it now. Let me show you the wheels for this thing. Yeah. Woo! Shit, boy. Yeah, it's motherfucking fresh, man. So this Vossen 20-inch wheel in the matte bronze finish against that pearl white. Perfect color combo right there. Since Limmer just want to talk mess all day, we're just gonna give Poppy this shout out, right? So here's all the Tesla panels, which we color match. All these used to be a textured black, and we color match the rockers, lower front panel, lower rear panel, all the fender moldings, but perfection. What y'all got going on? All right, so on this car, we ended up going with the airlift, 3P management, and then all universal airbags, front and rear, 1/4-inch line, because this is my boy's daily driver. So this thing is solid now. And then Vlad went ahead and made a nice little clean cover for all the management. Nice little plexiglass with the engraved Cadillac logo in it as well. So stay tuned to see this thing on the streets. Yeah. Go check in on fucking Praggles right now, see what he's up to. What's cracking, Praggles? I was telling Josh about, I was telling Josh about Mr. Wiggles' birthday party yesterday.
That's my 20 years living in the same place, Josh. It happened to fall on Wiggles' birthday.
Wiggles
I was thinking about having one for my aquatic turtles, too.
For your aquatic turtles?
I'm just kidding.
Do you only have one pet?
I have 2 aquatic turtles. Also.
Seriously?
Yeah,
Wait,
You
my
like
unit is the bottle unit. It's the only one that has a
you're like equivalent to that, like an old cat lady.
No.
But you just got fucking a dog and turtles.
I don't dig cats.
All right.
There's only been a few cats I've ever liked in my life.
Those are the ones from the Philippines? Hey, you ever tried Moonshine?
Moonshine?
Yeah.
Like the drink?
Yeah.
No.
I gotta tell you, so.
No, Tanner got some. He went to Tennessee and he got some.
Yeah, my boy, man. Who the fuck drank more of it? I always be getting some like odd gifts from clients. They all know that we like whiskey and bourbon around here, but my boy Ivan, I'm not gonna say where he's from because he could probably get in trouble for this, but shit. Made your boy, or made the crew, this nice little moonshine though. Shit strong as fuck. Ooh, shit.
That barely touched your lip.
Oh, this motherfucker. Hey, I'm gonna let you try this shit. This shit is fucking nice.
I don't know if I want to try that.
Dog, stop being a little girl. Try it.
What?
All right. Thank you for tuning in to this week's edition of Shop Talk. Stay tuned to the rest because we got some fire builds getting completed and some fire builds coming in. All right, I'm out.